is about something that I have been dealing with repeatedly this week, not only with my clients, but internally. So at the end of the year, I do a lot of previews for people. People will come to me and they will book appointments about how they can do better next year, what's coming up next year, etc. But I also do a personal and a business assessment for myself. Like, what can I do better? How can I be better? How did I show up this year? You know, what did I accomplish? Not so much as did I check off every goal, but was I authentic and standing in my authentic power this year? And so what has been coming up in my spirit a lot is our self-value and our self-worth. And I've been seeing that amongst my clients this last week as well. More so about how we're valuing who we are and how we are being valued. So here's the thing. Here was a big aha moment for me. The way that we are showing up in the world, the way that we value ourselves is the way that we are showing up on the planet. So if we have little to no value in who we are and what we bring and what we offer this world, then that's how we're showing up, and we're going to be attracting people, places, and circumstances that are energetically aligned with this lower vibrational frequency of, I'm not really worth that, I don't really deserve that, I don't really value me like that. And you will find yourself in the arena of playing small. So a lot of times when we're trying to manifest and create our lives, and we're trying to live our best and most authentic life, we feel like we have to live in this little small box or in this little shallow place because that's all I deserve, that's all I'm worth, that's all I'm gonna get. So no matter what you're saying out of your mouth, your inner value is going to show up in the world. So if you're not truly aligned, if your mindset is not truly aligned with your mouth, you're going to show up how you're thinking, not how you're speaking, because this alignment is direct, right? So you could be saying, I value myself. I'm worth that, girl. I know I'm worth that. I'm worth that. I'm worth more than that. I'm going to get all that. Yeah, I got that. But inside you're thinking, I'm not going to get that because I can't afford it. And why would God give me that? And I'm not really worth all that. And you know what I'm saying? When we begin to honor and take care of our temple, mind, body, and spirit. Now, let me say this. Your girl is a full-figure girl. I'm a plus-size girl, right? So this is not about you have to go lose some weight so you can be valued. Nobody's talking about that. Don't y'all go say that Fran, Amy Fran, whatever y'all call me, said, I got to lose the weight so I can be valued. Because that's not what I'm saying to you. What I am saying to you is this. Your self-worth and your self-value starts within. You got to take care of yourself. You got to take care of your mind, body, and spirit. Do some things for you that make you feel good. If you're walking around and nails are your thing and you have chipped nails, go get your nails done. Right? Because that's going to make you feel good about yourself. If you like to change your hair up, go get your hair done. Do things that make you feel good about yourself. But the bottom line is what you are thinking internally, what you are putting in your body, in your mind, in your spirit is how you are going to show up in the world. Be aware of how you are vibrationally aligning with people. Look at your year last year. Did you accomplish things that you wanted to accomplish? Did you do things that you wanted to do? Were you able to manifest and create some things? Were you able to cultivate some deep, deep self-love and appreciation for you? Because attracting anything in your life, no matter what it is gonna start with how you feel and how you value yourself. And how you feel about yourself is going to show up in the world. So, what I'm gonna challenge you guys to do is to really look at who you are. How amazing you are, how wonderful you are, how much of a goddess, a warrior, how much of a dynamic woman, man, you are. Look at yourself and then begin to appreciate everything about you. Appreciate how you look, how you talk, how you walk, how you can walk into a room and you can dominate it because you have this energy that's like, whoa, everybody's like, God, they have some great energy. All of that comes from how you value you. And it really starts within. 2020 is going to be a dynamic year. We are about to end the decade here. So I'm going to be doing a video on what I'm leaving in this decade and a podcast about that real soon. But you need to start thinking about what no longer serves, and not people, but I'm talking about you. What are things that you're doing that you should not be doing that are not aligning you with getting where you need to be? We're going to take responsibility as adults. We're going to take some responsibility, right? And we are going to own 2020. It is a new decade, and we are going to own 2020. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure you share this video with somebody who just may need it. All right, friends, fam. Bye for now.